Hi, everyone. Weight gain is a critical issue in your life of numerous individuals. Also, they are battling hard to beat it. Indeed, even they were investing energy into doing overwhelming exercises and following an exacting eating regimen plan. Perchance they have lost the opportunity to encounter the ideal outcome. In interim, you may feel that there is a likelihood to get to solid weight reduction. However, as a general rule, it isn't so natural. It depends on the body type, underlying driver of the issues, the way of life, condition, the food you eat, everyday propensities and it. Individuals are prepared to follow any arrangement. However, the covetous pharma industry and the legislature are concealing the arrangement from the individuals. What's more, they are giving unsafe medications, supplements, meds, and so forth. People are burning through their cash and time aimlessly to accomplish the outcome. In any case, not every person gets the outcome. No other eating routine arrangement or exercise isn't supporting to cause you to get more fit or keep you fit. For what reason are generally the stuff turning out to be pointless when you are attempting to abundance weight reduction? Since those arrangements and medicines are not taking care of the issue from the main driver. At that point, how might you accomplish the weight reduction results however much as could reasonably be expected? Here is an audit of the essential data and disclose your reality to cause you to dispose of the past shortcoming that you have done it. On the off chance that you need to shed pounds with no confusion, you know from the central before utilizing any item or treatment or supplement to accomplish the weight reduction results quicker. Obviously, the main examination group has done the exploration and presented a great equation GlucaFix to support you and me to get to ketosis. As a matter of fact, it is the most ideal approach to consume fat for vitality rather than carbs. It suggests eating low-carbs food and schedule, so you can pick up the ideal wellspring of vitality when consuming the difficult fat quicker. Dear friend, imagine. This tiny trick before you eat dinner tonight only takes 30 seconds. It's guaranteed to make you feel less stressed and relaxed. And when you do this 30-second Japanese Carbtrick, your belly fat will shrink. Flabby arms and cottage cheese from buns or thighs will be a thing of the past. Your feelings of stress will disappear. No wonder Japan has the thinnest people in the world. Whatever you do, you'll want to do this tonight. Do this 30-second trick and shrink your belly overnight. Enjoy. Have a nice day.